Hello everyone, welcome to the series Famous Heroines in the Plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Cordelia from King Lear. Introduction. Cordelia, the youngest daughter of King Lear, stands out as a beacon of integrity, loyalty, and compassion. Her character is a stark contrast to the deceit and ambition exhibited by her sisters Goneril and Regan. Cordelia's unwavering honesty and virtue make her one of the most admirable characters in William Shakespeare's literature. This video delves into the multifaceted aspects of Cordelia's character, examining her strengths, vulnerabilities, relationships, and the thematic significance she holds within the play. Integrity and honesty. From the very beginning, Cordelia's integrity is evident. Unlike her sisters, she refuses to flatter Lear with false declarations of love. When Lear asks his daughters to express their love for him to determine the division of his kingdom, Cordelia's response is measured and sincere. Unhappy that I am, I cannot heave my heart into my mouth. I love your majesty. According to my bond, no more, no less. Act 1, Scene 1. Her refusal to engage in hyperbolic flattery leads to her disinheritance, but it also establishes her as a character of profound honesty and moral clarity. Cordelia's integrity is further highlighted by her actions following her banishment. Despite being wronged by her father, she remains concerned for the well-being and returns with an army to save him. Her actions are motivated by genuine love and duty, not by a desire for power or revenge. This steadfast adherence to her principles, even in the face of personal loss, underscores her noble character. Loyalty and compassion. Cordelia's loyalty to Lear is unwavering, even after he rejects her. Her love for him is not conditional upon his favor or wealth, but rather rooted in a deep sense of duty and familial affection. This loyalty is poignantly expressed in her union with Lear, where she forgives him without hesitation. No cause, no cause. Act 4, Scene 7. Cordelia's compassion extends beyond her father. She is sympathetic towards others, and her leadership is marked by a genuine concern for the well-being of her followers and subjects. Strength and resilience. Cordelia's strength lies not in physical prowess or political maneuvering, but in her moral fortitude and emotional resilience. Her ability to withstand Lear's harsh rejection and maintain her principles is a testament to her inner strength. When she leads the French army into battle, it is not out of ambition but out of a resolute determination to restore justice and protect her father. Her leadership is characterized by a quiet dignity and a steadfast commitment to doing what is right. Vulnerability and tragic end. Despite her strengths, Cordelia's vulnerability lies in her unwavering adherence to honesty and duty, which makes her susceptible to the treachery of others. Her return to Britain with an army, while noble, also places her in a precarious position. She is captured by Edmund's forces, and her eventual execution is one of the play's most tragic moments. Lear's devastation upon finding her lifeless body. Why should a dog, a horse, a rat have life, and thou no breathe at all? Act 5, Scene 3 underscores the senselessness of her death and the profound impact of her loss. Relationships. Cordelia's relationships within the play are marked by contrast. Her bond with Lear, despite its initial rupture, is ultimately characterized by deep love. Goneril and Regan's deceitful and power-hungry natures starkly contrast with Cordelia's integrity, highlighting the moral dichotomy between them. Cordelia's marriage to the King of France further emphasizes her virtues. The King of France values her honesty and purity, choosing to marry her even after disinheritance. Fairest Cordelia, that art most rich, being poor, most choice, forsaken, and most loved, despised. Act 1, Scene 1. This union underscores the theme of true worth being recognized and appreciated even in the absence of material wealth. Thematic significance. Cordelia's character serves as a thematic counterpoint to the chaos and moral decay that pervade King Lear. Her integrity and compassion highlight the play's exploration of truth, justice, and natural order. In a world where deceit and ambition lead to destruction, Cordelia's steadfastness represents a beacon of hope and moral clarity. Her tragic end, however, underscores the harsh realities of the world and the vulnerability of goodness in the face of overwhelming corruption. Conclusion. Cordelia's character in King Lear is a profound embodiment of integrity, loyalty, and compassion. Her unwavering honesty and moral clarity stand in stark contrast to the deceit and ambition of her sisters, making her one of Shakespeare's most admirable characters. Despite her tragic end, Cordelia's legacy within the play is one of enduring strength and virtue. Through her character, Shakespeare explores the themes of truth, justice, and inherent value of integrity, making Cordelia a timeless and impactful figure in literary history. So this was the discussion on the character of Cordelia in Shakespeare's play King Lear. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.